Welcome. In today's video, I'll show how to allow your contacts to see your phone number on the Telegram app for PC. This feature recently changed with the new update, so if you've noticed your number is hidden, or you just want your friends to find you more easily, here's exactly what you need to do. First, open your Telegram app on your computer. Once it's open, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three small lines. This is the menu icon. Click on it to open the sidebar. Now, from the menu, select Settings. This is where you can manage all your account preferences. Inside Settings, find and click on Privacy and Security. This section controls who can see your personal details, like your phone number, profile picture, and activity status. Next, scroll down until you find Phone Number. Click on it to open your phone number privacy options. You'll see several choices: Nobody, My Contacts, and Everybody. To allow only your saved contacts to see your number, choose My Contacts. This ensures that your phone number is visible only to people you already know, your friends, family, and anyone saved in your Telegram contacts. After selecting My Contacts, make sure to click Save. This step is important. If you don't hit Save, your settings won't be updated. Once you've done that, your choice will take effect immediately. And that's it. You've successfully allowed your contacts to see your phone number on Telegram.